Hello and welcome back to Builders Game. I know we haven't posted for some time because of some exam stuffs. Yeah, so we're back again. Gonna build some awesome and cool stuffs today. And today we're gonna make something interesting. So today we're gonna be making Scorpion. I mean the weapon of Scorpion. We're not gonna be making Scorpion. That's be making the weapon of Scorpion. That's a rope dart. And now to start making the rope dart we need a reference. And that's how an actual rope dart looks like. So it consists of a metallic dart, that's too obvious, and a rope, that's also too obvious. Now after doing some research I found that the dart is actually almost 350 grams weight. It can be of any shape, and even the length of the rope, it can be of any shape basically, but for me I think it's a 2.5 meters. That's just a perfect length. Now the actual dart is of pure solid metal, but I cannot use metal because I have no idea how to work with metal. But I can work with wood. Oh, why I can work with wood? I wonder who made this. This looks wood. So yeah, I can work with wood. I made this. This is actually a wooden ply piece that I converted into this. But the main problem is this is like very light. We have to make something that is heavier than this and stronger than this because I broke it while practicing. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I bought some wood pieces. That is just a compact wood, it's not a ply, so it's actually heavy. And just draw the shape of the dart. And I think this is going to be my last version and it's gonna work. I've practiced. Let's make a real rope dart.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't.
Now finally the cutting part is done and I think it just looks perfect. It's not symmetric but it will do, and the center of mass is slightly towards the front, and that's exactly what we need. Just have to now grind it and sand it. Let's get to work. Okay, finally, it took me 6 hours to sand it. Now, we're just going to wind up a rope in the handle, just adding some glue, and let's just wind up the rope now.
Cover the map and still ain't know where you can find me.
Now I'm just adding some masking tape.
Ready, keep an eye out for the fakes, for the snakes. Load a clip and I'ma pull it, something shakes. Never go to battle if you plan to lose. Life a game of chess, you gotta plan the moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals.
Well, it looks just perfect and the shape is good. You just need to drill a hole.
to my colors.
Put on my strap, put on the beam, put on the map, put on my team, take out every
Okay, the dart is ready. Time to make the rope. So I'm just going to be using this cotton thread. I'm just going to be adding more layers, and I think 8 layers is just perfect for the weight. So let's just make the rope now. I have winded up all the 8 layers of the rope. Now I'm just taking a broken candle and just applying wax thoroughly, and finally adding some glue just to make sure the ropes stick together. Now the rope is ready, the dart is ready. I just cut a piece of cloth and just have to assemble everything. Let's do it.
to my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beam, put on the map, put on my team, take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rap, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, I'm up in front of this. I ran in the jungle with the troops, trying to get it what it does. Battle it and I ain't never lose, we some motherfucking warriors.
I hope you enjoyed the video. And filming this video was actually fun because I learned how to rope dart, and now I'm not an expert, but I know how to use it. I'm not very good at hitting the target. That one balloon shot took almost 15 to 16 takes, so yeah, still learning, but it's fun. And that's it for the video. And now stay home, stay safe, keep building stuffs. Bye.
For the right to live in peace and not like animals.
Swords in my hands, got swords in my gunners. You'll be notorious.